Have you ever stopped to consider the true importance of erectile health? This topic, often shrouded in whispers and embarrassment, is undeniably vital. Erectile health is about more than just sexual performance, it's an integral part of men's overall well-being. Let's take a moment to delve deeper. Erectile health is a barometer for heart health. A robust and efficient cardiovascular system is key to maintaining strong erectile function. So if there are problems with erectile health, it could be an early warning sign of potential heart issues, but that's not all. Erectile health can also impact mental well-being. Living with erectile dysfunction often leads to stress, anxiety, and even depression. It's a cycle that can affect every facet of your life, from your self-confidence to your relationships. So it's clear that erectile health is about much more than just sex. It's about your heart, your mind, and ultimately, your quality of life. But what is the science behind erectile health? How does it actually work? Well, it all begins with a simple yet complex series of events that take place within the body. The process of achieving an erection is a marvel of biological engineering involving blood flow, nerve signals, and hormones. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about blood flow. The penis contains two chambers called the corpora cavernosa. When a man becomes sexually aroused, blood rushes into these chambers, causing them to expand and harden. This is what leads to an erection. The blood is then trapped in the corpora cavernosa by a membrane, ensuring the erection is maintained throughout sexual activity. Next up are nerve signals. The process of getting an erection starts in the brain. When a man is aroused, his brain sends signals down the spinal cord and into the nerves of the penis. These nerves then trigger the release of nitric oxide, a chemical that relaxes the muscles in the penis, allowing blood to flow in. Last, but certainly not least, are hormones. Testosterone, the primary male sex hormone, plays a key role. It's responsible for many aspects of sexual health, including libido or sexual desire. Without adequate levels of testosterone, achieving and maintaining an erection can become more difficult. So you see, an erection is not just a physical response. It's a complex interplay of multiple systems within the body. Each part has a role to play, and when one part doesn't function as it should, it can throw the whole system off balance. To sum it up, the process of achieving and maintaining an erection is a finely tuned symphony of blood flow, nerve signals, and hormones. Each element works in harmony to bring about this natural response to sexual arousal. But it's also important to note that many things can disrupt this symphony. Physical health conditions, psychological issues, and certain lifestyle factors, to name a few. But don't worry, we'll delve into these in our next segment. The science of erections is a complex interplay of multiple systems in your body. Now that we understand how it works, let's explore what happens when things go wrong. Imagine a car engine. Just like it needs fuel to run, your body needs blood to maintain an erection. But what happens when this flow is interrupted? Well, that's where erectile dysfunction comes in. The causes of erectile dysfunction can be split into two main categories: physical and psychological. Let's start with the physical. Conditions like heart disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes can all impact the blood flow to your penis. If your heart can't pump enough blood or your arteries are clogged, it can be difficult to achieve or maintain an erection. The same goes for diabetes. High blood sugar levels can damage nerves and blood vessels, which can also lead to erectile dysfunction. But it's not just about the blood. Hormonal imbalances, particularly low levels of testosterone, can also contribute to erectile dysfunction. This hormone plays a key role in your sex drive and erectile function. So if your levels are low, you might find it difficult to get or keep an erection. Now let's move on to the psychological causes. Stress and anxiety can play a big role in erectile dysfunction. When you're stressed, your body releases a flood of adrenaline. This can constrict your blood vessels, making it harder to achieve an erection. Anxiety can create a vicious cycle. You worry about your performance, which leads to erectile problems, which then increases your anxiety. It's a tough cycle to break, but understanding it is the first step. Depression is another psychological factor that can lead to erectile dysfunction. It can reduce your desire for sex and can cause erectile dysfunction. It's important to note that many antidepressants can also cause erectile dysfunction. So there you have it. From heart disease to stress, there's a wide range of factors that can contribute to erectile dysfunction. But don't lose hope. Understanding the causes of erectile dysfunction is the first step to finding a solution. So, what can we do in our day-to-day lives to improve our erectile health? Well, the good news is that there's a lot within our control. Our lifestyle choices, from what we eat to how much we move, can greatly influence our erectile health. Let's start with diet. The food we consume directly affects our heart health, and a healthy heart is crucial for good blood flow, an essential factor for maintaining an erection. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains and lean proteins can help improve circulation and overall heart health. Next, let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity not only keeps your heart in shape but also boosts blood flow, which is key for erectile health. Engaging in at least 30 minutes of exercise a day, whether it's brisk walking, swimming, or weightlifting, can do wonders for your overall health and, in turn, your erectile function. Now, onto some lifestyle factors that can harm erectile health. One major culprit is smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels, hindering blood flow to the penis and making it difficult to achieve an erection. So if you're a smoker, quitting can be one of the best things you do for your erectile health. Alcohol, too, can be a double-edged sword. While moderate alcohol consumption might not cause erectile dysfunction, heavy drinking, especially over time, can cause heart disease, nerve damage, and other conditions that can lead to erectile dysfunction. But it's not just about physical health. Mental and emotional well-being play a significant role too. Chronic stress, anxiety, and depression can interfere with the brain signals that trigger an erection. Therefore, finding healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or talking to a professional, can help improve erectile health. So, as you can see, your lifestyle choices can either be your greatest ally or your biggest enemy when it comes to erectile health. Making positive changes like eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, quitting smoking, moderating alcohol consumption, and managing stress can have a significant impact on your erectile health. Making positive lifestyle changes can have a significant impact on erectile health. Beyond lifestyle changes, are there other methods to boost performance and improve erectile health? Now that's a question that has seen many a curious eyebrow raised. The answer is a resounding yes, and it comes in the form of supplements. But before we delve into that, it's important to remember that supplements are not magic cures. They're not going to fix everything overnight, and they're definitely not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle or professional medical advice. But what they can do is provide a safe blend of powerful nutrients that can help boost performance and improve overall erectile health. So what kind of supplements are we talking about? Well, there are a few key players in this field. First up, we have amino acids like L-arginine and L-citrulline. These compounds play a crucial role in our body's production of nitric oxide, a molecule that helps blood vessels expand and improve blood flow. Next, we have herbal supplements like Panax, ginseng, and ginkgo biloba, which have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to enhance sexual function. Modern studies affirm their potential benefits, but further research is needed to understand their full effects. And then, there's the role of vitamins and minerals. Zinc, for example, is essential for testosterone production, while vitamin D deficiency has been linked to erectile issues. Other vitamins like B3, also known as niacin, and vitamin E, have also shown potential benefits in supporting erectile health. Remember, the world of supplements is vast and varied. What works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to do your own research, understand your body's needs, and most importantly, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. They can guide you on the appropriate dosages and any potential interactions with other medications you might be taking. Supplements for erectile health can be a useful tool in your arsenal, but they're just one part of the bigger picture. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle remain the cornerstones of maintaining optimal erectile health. Remember, always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. And with that, we move on to our final scene. Stay tuned, folks. To summarize, erectile health is crucial for overall well-being, and understanding it can help maintain it. We've journeyed through the science behind erectile health, unraveling the intricate workings of the body that contribute to its functionality. We've also shed light on the causes of erectile dysfunction, underlining the importance of identifying and addressing these underlying issues. Delving into lifestyle factors, we've explored how everyday choices can impact erectile health, emphasizing the significance of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management. Lastly, we've touched upon the role of supplements in boosting erectile health. Remember, these are not magic pills, but they can provide a safe blend of powerful nutrients that enhance performance. Like, subscribe and leave a comment telling us what you think of this video. Remember, maintaining your erectile health is maintaining your overall health. Stay healthy, stay happy.